Speed, passion and history combine in the traditional Acropolis Rally. Spectacular landscapes dropping away to the sea alternate with tortuous mountain stages in a crescendo of emotion and effort that tests the drivers' and the co-drivers' skills to the limit.
Right 3, into left 5 and right 5. Thus, then left 2, into right 3 and left 2. Into right 3, long. Left 2. Pass rock, on crest. 40, right 2, into left 3. Then left 2, into right 2, open. And 40, left 2, cut. Right 3. And left 3, narrow. Into left 2. Hairpin right, handbrake. Right 2, drop outside. Then left 3. 80, right 5, into left 4, cut. Then right 4, into left 4. Right 4, narrow, into left 3. On crest and left 4, long. Right 3, trees outside. 200. Thus, keep left. Left 3, cut. 40, hairpin left, into hairpin right. 150, on crest. Pass barrier, right 4, into right 3. 60, left 3, cut, into right 3. Right 2, don't cut. Then hairpin left, don't cut. 40, right 2, cut. Into left 3 and right left chicane. Then hairpin right. 80, left 2. 60, left 5, into right 6. 150. Left 2. And 40, into hairpin right, handbrake. Then left 2. 60, right 3, into left 2, tighten. Then right 3, don't cut, into left 3. 200, keep left, on crest. Right 3, don't cut, into left right chicane. 150, jump, then right 5. Into right 3 and hairpin left. 40, left 2, cut. Then right left chicane. And right 2, long.